Why does RESTful API hold such a pivotal role in Java? Is it just a buzzword, or does it truly revolutionize the way we work with web services? Let's unravel these mysteries today. At its core, a RESTful API, or Representational State Transfer API, is a way of providing interoperability between computer systems on the internet. It allows different software systems to communicate with each other, even if they're written in different programming languages. In the world of Java, RESTful API provides a simple yet powerful way to create, read, update, and delete data. But how do we implement it? Let's dive into the details. The first step is to set up the environment. To do this, you need to install Java Development Kit, JDK, and Integrated Development Environment, IDE, such as Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA. Make sure that you have the latest version of JDK and IDE for the smoothest experience. Next, create a new project in your IDE. Name it whatever you like, but for the sake of this tutorial, we will call it RESTful API Project. Now you need to add the necessary libraries. The most important one is Java API for RESTful Web Services, also known as JAX-RS. It's a set of APIs to develop web services following the RESTful architectural pattern. Once the libraries are set, it's time to create a new Java class. This class will serve as our RESTful resource. Name it myResource. In this class, define methods for HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete. Each method should be annotated with @path, @gt, @post, @put, or @delete to indicate which HTTP method it corresponds to. Next, create the business logic for each method. This could be fetching data from a database, updating a record, or deleting an entry. For simplicity, we'll just return a simple message for each method. Finally, you need to configure the application to use RESTful services. This is done by creating a class that extends from application and is annotated with that application path. In the overridden method getClasses, return a set containing the class of your RESTful resource. And voila! You've just created a RESTful API in Java. Now you can use a tool like Postman to send HTTP requests to your API and see the responses. To recap, implementing a RESTful API in Java involves setting up the environment, creating a new project, adding the necessary libraries, creating a RESTful resource, defining methods for each HTTP method, creating the business logic, and configuring the application to use RESTful services. It might seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll realize the power and flexibility that RESTful API brings to your Java applications. It's not just a trendy term, it's a game changer in the world of web services. And now, you're part of this revolution too. So go ahead, create, innovate, and explore the limitless possibilities that RESTful API in Java offers.